Hey, it is time right now to create with Quimby. Our DIY queen is back to show us the perfect item to hang your stockings on if you don't have a mantle. Joining us live, Shannon Quimby, to show us how to make these stocking posts. Good to see you again, Shannon.
You too, Jenny. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, I think a lot of people, maybe if they're like in an apartment or something where they don't have a fireplace, this would be a good alternative, right, for stockings?
Yeah, and it's perfect. And what I really like too about this DIY is that it's a great DIY that can, after the season is done, goes and we can use it year round.
Oh, yeah, for like just hooking other things on, right?
Yeah, yeah. And it's kind of hard to show it in live here, but it's only, this looks massive sitting right next to me, but
Right.
it's only about 3 feet tall. See?
Ah, okay, cool. I mean,
Yeah.
you could probably make them taller, shorter, right, depending on your needs. So what kind of materials did you use for this?
Yeah, well, this is what's really simple about it. I just called my buddy Kent down at Parr Lumber over on Grand Avenue, and it's just cedar posts. So it's literally just fence posts. And so you have a base like this, and we have all the instructions. We talk about that at the end. So if you get lost, don't worry about it. So you have a base, which is about 10 inches square, and then just a 4x4 post. And this is called a post cap. And if you forget, you can literally see it on the back side where it says post cap.
Okay, so you can buy all that
Easy.
stuff, like it's all pre-cut. People don't need like a saw to make this all work.
Yeah, and you know what? If you want to, Par will they'll cover you.
Yeah,
Okay, so if you need help, you can go down. Yeah, they'll hook you up.
well,
So
good.
yeah, right. So then the next step is you want to put it all together, and this is called a hex leg. It's a screw that has a right here that you put a socket wrench on, and you want to pre-drill with the drill, such as like this, at the bottom of the base, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then at the same point, so you want to find the center. First you measure the center, and then you measure the center of the post. You can choose whatever at the bottom of the post would be, but you just measure, and you're going to drill like that. And with the hex leg screw, that's how you put it together, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you just put that through at the end, and then you screw it to the end of the post.
Ah, easy. Okay, this is easier than like even IKEA or anything.
Oh, yeah.
No crazy directions with just like a screw and an arrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 4 or 5 minute segment. IKEA, I would need like an hour to show you how to
You and
put
me
it
both,
together.
sister. Yeah. Okay. And
Yeah.
then so the top, is that pretty much the same?
Yeah. So the top is a cap, which you'd want to put on. We're jumping ahead, but no worries.
Oh,
So
sorry. Okay.
that's all right. That's all right. So the cap, it's so simple. I just glue it. I take the paper thing off of it here, and
Mm-hmm.
you just take wood glue like so. And when you're done with that's the last thing you do, and you glue it to the top like that.
Okay. So I skipped the hook part then. That's the middle part.
Yeah. So then, right. So then the next step that you want to do, the raw is wood. So
Mm-hmm.
then I like to seal it with, I use this wax polish, and you just take it on here with a rag, and you go like this, and you smooth it, since it gives it a little more smoother
Mm-hmm.
and look, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Like so. Gives it a little bit of a shine. Then, my big studio here, right? Then you measure and mark down to the top where you want to put each screw. And this is basically, you can get these at Ace Hardware. They're garment hooks,
Mm-hmm.
and they come in all different shapes and sizes. This is nice. It's a 2-pack for only like $5.
Nice.
And I know. And then you measure and mark in the center, and with your drill, and it also comes with the screws too. So you don't have to worry about what size screw you want to get.
Okay.
And you just put one in on each side of the post all the way around like so, and you have 4 of them.
Nice. Okay. And then after the holidays, if you want to, what would you use this for? Because you said this one's only about 3 feet high.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, you can use this in the bathroom to put towels on. You
Mm-hmm.
can, if you don't have any storage, if you don't have a mudroom, this is great to put the kids. I almost said crap, but it is.
That it is. Yes.
Yeah. So like the backpacks and everything, you know, and what I like about it, it is portable and it is small enough. I like the small enough one
Yeah.
because then the kids can reach it.
Yeah.
But you could do a tall one and do two different heights with
Right.
the hooks.
Okay.
So I just put the stockings on it, and it's year round. And FYI, so I'm giving these away. I've made 3 of them. So if you want to go on my Facebook page, Shannon Quimby, we'll post it, right, Jenny?
All
On the
right.
site.
Yes, we will do that, Shannon. Awesome job. And that's so exciting that you're giving some of those away. I'm sure people will love that. Thanks for being here with us.
You're welcome.
Okay, so for more on how to make that stocking post or more holiday crafts, go to coin.com and we'll have a link to Shannon's Facebook page on there as well. It is 8:15 on this Friday morning. You're watching AM Extra, and you know, Disney Plus has announced a ton of